Hello, everybody. I'm glad you can join me tonight. I'm Clint, and I like to cook. And tonight I'm going to be cooking fajita tacos. It's going to be delicious. So y'all come along with me, and we'll make it happen. First, we want to pour a quarter a cup of olive oil into a small bowl. Then we're going to add a half a cup of lime juice. Then 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoons salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of tahini with lime. You can get this at Walmart or any grocery. And 4 cloves minced garlic. And we're going to stir that and get that all blended in well with each other, and then set that aside. Now we're going to coat our iron skillet with some olive oil and heat it up. And we're going to add our vegetables as 1 large onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 orange bell pepper, all sliced. Now we're going to take half of our mixture and pour it in that, and we're going to cook that down until the vegetables start getting tender. You don't want them overcooked. You still want them just to be a little bit firm. Alright, those are done, so we're going to get that out of the skillet and set that to the side. So now we're going to add a little more olive oil to our skillet while it's hot, and then we're going to add our meat, which is a half a pound, 1.5 pounds of bottom round steak sliced thin, and we just want to work that around and break them loose. These are thin sliced for fajitas. Alright, now we're going to take the other half of our mixture and pour that in the meat and stir that around and let that cook in that for just a few minutes. And then we're going to add our vegetables back into the mix. We're going to stir that around a little bit. The total cook time for all this is probably no more than 10 minutes. The meat cooks up pretty quick. Now I've got some soft shell fajitas, and I'm going to start setting our mixture down in that. And I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of meat and vegetables when I'm making fajita tacos. It's just real simple, a quick supper. If you're in a hurry, I mean, it doesn't take long to get this thing done. So I've got that in there, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of lettuce. I just buy shredded lettuce. Sometimes I'll chop it up myself, but I didn't have that much time. And then we're going to come in there with a little bit of salsa on the top. I like salsa. Salsa adds a good flavor to this. And we're going to come in here with a little bit of sour cream right on top. Does that not look delicious? All right, there you go. Y'all give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching, and God bless.